Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Panther Sports Nation. Today I'm here with senior soccer player Morgan Brewer. Morgan, how are you today?
I'm good, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Okay, so how do you feel about tonight's matchup against Academy?
Well, last time we played them, we ended up winning, which was good, but it was definitely a close game. I think it was only 1-0. So tonight's definitely going to be challenging, but I think we have a good shot.
And since I know you're a three-sport athlete, how do you manage school, sports, and an outside life?
That's a good question. I'm definitely busy a lot of the time, but I've found ways to prioritize my free time to get my schoolwork done. I try to make time for friends when I can, and then obviously my practice is after school, but it took some time, but I figured it out.
And for younger girls who want to play sport, what advice do you have for them?
Just try out for a team. I know we don't always offer modified and JV, but this year in soccer, we have a big team. We have some younger girls, but they're all figuring it out and we're having a lot of fun, so just try it out.
Thank you, Morgan. Come back next week on Panther Sports Nation to watch another episode here on AHN Albany.